Hello, welcome you all to my channel, College of Commerce. I am Prasanna. Do you know the modern version of final account? Today we can see the real meaning of final accounts and how to prepare the trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Final accounts are accounts prepared by a trader to find the net result of his trading as well as to assess the financial position at the end of the period. It includes trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. The modern version of final account is financial statement. Financial statements are those statements which depicts the profit and losses of a business through income statements and depicts the value of assets and liabilities on a particular date through balance sheet. Firstly, we can see what is trading account. Trading account is an account which is prepared to find the gross profit or gross loss of a business concern. Commonly, it contains all the incomes and expenses which is in connection with the factory. A trading account has two sides just like the other accounts. Its debit side contains opening stock, net purchases, wages, carriage or carriage inwards, factory rent, factory heating, factory lighting, factory advertising, octroi, royalty or royalty on purchases, and credit side contains sales, less returns, or we can say that net sales and closing stock. If the credit side is higher than the debit side, we can say it as gross profit, and if it is vice versa, we can say it as gross loss. Next, we can see the profit and loss account. Actually, profit and loss account is an account which is prepared to find the net profit or net loss of a business concern. Commonly, it contains all the incomes and expenses which is in connection with the office. Simply, I am giving some items which are to be shown in profit and loss account. Its debit side contains salaries, rent, commission, discount allowed, allowances allowed, bad debt, carriage outwards, provision for doubtful debt, travelling expenses, etc. And its credit side contains rent received, commission received, rent from tenants, apprentice premium, etc. If the income side is higher than the expenditure side, we can say it as net profit, and if it is vice versa, we can say it as net loss. Actually, net profit or net loss has a close connection with capital. If there is any net profit, it must be added back with the capital. If there is any net loss, it must be deducted from capital when we are preparing the balance sheet. Finally, we can see the meaning of balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement which is prepared at the end of the accounting year, and it shows the financial position of a concern. Balance sheet is not an account Actually, it is a statement. Its right hand side is called asset side and left hand side is called liability side. We are writing balance sheet in an order of liquidity or order of permanence. Asset side contains fixed assets and current assets. Fixed assets are those which are acquired neither for resale nor for the subsequent conversion into money. The chief examples are land, building, plant, machinery, then goodwill, trademark, patent right, copyright, etc. But current assets are those which are acquired either for resale or for the subsequent conversion into money. Some examples are cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors, closing stock, bills receivable, etc. When we are considering the liability side, we can see the fixed liabilities and current liabilities also. Fixed liabilities are those which are not to be settled within a period of 1 year. For example, capital, long-term loan, etc. But current liabilities are those which are to be settled within a period of 1 year. The examples are sundry creditors, bills payable, short-term loans, income received in advance, outstanding expenses, etc. Hope all of you understood these matters well. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് മൈ ചാനൽ കോളേജ് ഓഫ് കൊമേഴ്സ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യൂ. എൻ്റെ പേഴ്സണൽ കോൺടാക്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. താങ്ക് യു.